Hi guys, what we have here is 4 catapult gliders from J&H Aerospace. One of them I've had for quite a long time, many months, and the other 3 for nearly as long, but not quite as long. Every time I sit down to do one of these, something else happens and I get diverted. I can see I've actually opened this one and never finished getting on with it. I've done an Carbonette 8 before and broken it several times. I haven't done a Carbonette 12 yet, and Joshua's also sent me this special or super Carbonette 8 to have a go at. But I really think I ought to make a 12 first, because I've done an 8, that's an advanced 8, but I'd rather fancy doing a 12. Hopefully it'll just be that bit bigger and we can see it better when it's flying. So, we're going to do a 12. I'll fold that one back over so we don't lose the bits. I'm not going to do a build video. I will video myself building it, but I'll fast forward it. My plan is to get his video up on the tablet here so I can follow it. And if you want to know how to build it, there'll be a link up on the screen. Is it this side? I can't remember. Up here perhaps. To his build video, and there'll be links in the video description as well. So if I can get this tablet to work, it is rubbish, this tablet. It's one of those ones I was given free when I bought a mobile phone, and it's been junk ever since I've had it. Joshua Finn, Carbonette 8 build, used for the 6-inch and 12-inch variants as well. Come on. Anyway, I'll put that over there so I can keep track of what I'm doing. And that screen's just died. I told you it was junk. Oh, come on. You're having a laugh. Let's go back to settings. Right, you don't need to see this. I'll get this sorted and we'll get started on that. Well, there we go. Carbonette 12. All ready to go. And I got to try out my new Razor plane, which was okay. Not as good as I remember my metal one from years ago. But of course, it's raining. And windy. So we're not going to be test flying it today. I might think about varnishing it a little bit. But we won't be going out there to fly it. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.